Miigwetch mishomis, gii-miizhiyaang nongom, Miigwetch ndikit nongom gii-jigat, wene jimnongana wabmuk, nui jibimadis, miinwaa wene jiganonuk, Miigwetch Shkakimi-kwe, gii-miizhiyaang bemadisowin, gii-miizhiyaang miijim, gii-miizhiyaang nabish, gii-miizhiyaang wensiak, miinwaa gii-miizhiyaang Nesewin, Semaa nbagdina, wabanang, shawanang, ipungishmuk, miinwaa giiye, Naadmoshinji-msh gogaabwiyaan, miinwaa gii-miizhiyaang, Miigwetch mishomis.
Anishinaabemowin Namewin. This is a prayer that I've been working with for a while. It was first introduced to me through Mala Shawana, one of our elder speakers and helpers with Anishinaabemowin here in Facebook. And I thought it would be a really beautiful thing to show you my progress with this prayer, as well as at the end of this video I'm going to dissect the prayer so that those who are interested can understand the words and what they mean to me. And so I'll do the prayer, and then at the end we'll be talking about the breakup of the prayer and what it means to me anyway, to help better understand, hopefully for your own understanding. Now, Miigwetch. Dada. Anishinaabemowin Namewin. Miigwetch mishomis. Miigwetch mishomis. Miigwetch mishomis. Miigwetch mishomis. Gii-miizhiyaang nongom. Gii-miizhiyaang nongom. Gii-miizhiyaang nongom. Gii-miizhiyaang nongom. Miigwetch ndikit nongom gii-jigat. Miigwetch ndikit nongom gii-jigat. Miigwetch ndikit nongom gii-jigat. Wene jetmino gana wabmag, nui jetbimadis. Wene, so wene jetmino gana wabmag, nui jetbimadis. Wene jetmino gana wabmag, nui jetbimadis. Miinwaa wene jetganu nug. Miinwaa wene jetganu nug. Miinwaa wene jetganu nug. Miigwetch giiye Shkakimi-kwe. Miigwetch giiye Shkakimi-kwe. Miigwetch giiye Shkakimi-kwe. Gii-miizhiyaang madizowin. Gii-miizhiyaang madizowin. Gii-miizhiyaang madizowin. Gii-miizhiyaang miijim. Gii-miizhiyaang miijim. Gii-miizhiyaang miijim. Gii-miizhiyaang nabish. Gii-miizhiyaang nabish. Gii-miizhiyaang nabish. gii-miizhiyaang we-sin-yik. Gii-miizhiyaang we-sin-yik. Gii-miizhiyaang we-sin-yik. Miinwaa gii-miizhiyaang Nesewin. Miinwaa gii-miizhiyaang Nesewin. Miinwaa gii-miizhiyaang Nesewin. Semaa nbagdina. Semaa nbagdina. Semaa nbagdina. Wabanong jawanong pingishmuk miinwaa giiye. Wabanong jawanong pingishmuk miinwaa giiye. Wabanong jawanong pingishmuk miinwaa giiye. Naadmoshinji-msh gogaabwiyaan. Naadmoshinji-msh gogaabwiyaan. Naadmoshinji-msh gogaabwiyaan. Naadmoshinji-msh gogaabwiyaan. Miinwaa miigwetch. Miinwaa miigwetch. Miigwetch Miigwetch Nameshomis. Miigwetch Nameshomis. Miigwetch Nameshomis. Nishin. Now we're going to go through the whole prayer, just straight through. Okay, try to follow along. Miigwetch. Anishinaaabemowin Namewin. Miigwetch Nameshomis. gii-miizhiyaang nangong. Miigwetch nidikit nangom giijigat. Wewene je nimino kinawabmag nuijibemadis. Miinwaa wewene je gnu nak. Miigwetch giiye Shkakimi-kwe. gii-miizhiyaang madzowin. gii-miizhiyaang miijim. gii-miizhiyaang nibish. gii-miizhiyaang wisin-yik. Miinwaa gii-miizhiyaang Nesewin. Semaa nbagdina. Wabanong jawanong pingishmuk or pingishmuk miinwaa giiye. Naadmoshinji-msh gogaabwiyaan. Miinwaa jezungdeyaan. Miigwetch Nameshomis. Miigwetch. Okay, that's excellent. Very good. Now, let us look closer at this beautiful prayer and try to understand it a little deeper. Miigwetch. Ambe-machtada. Anishinaabemowin Namewin. Now, if you look at this word, Anishinaabe, you will see in here, let me just fix this up. you'll see Anishinaabe right there. So of course you know what Anishinaabe is, eh? Anishinaabe. You put the mo in at the end, you're talking about native language. Okay? Name. Name is prayer. That's how I understand it. Namewin. So you're talking about a prayer. I'm still trying to figure out this win at the end. I'll get it eventually. Somebody here will help me understand how to use this win better on different words. But right now I just understand it as prayer way. Win. It's supposed to mean like a way or doing something perhaps. I don't know. So Namewin. Please go to your elders and whatever I say on these videos, I want you to question them. I don't want you to take it like my sharing is all there is, because that's so untrue, eh? I am learning just as well as everybody else here, eh? Now, Miigwetch. Miigwetch, everybody knows. Miigwetch is thank you. Mishomis. You see that N in front of Mishomis? Mishomis means grandfather. That's how we say grandfather. Mishomis. If that N in front means my, you're taking ownership, like on it. So neen. That's that. I forget what the English word is for these neen, keen, geen, neenwin, keenwin. You know. But that's what that is. Thank you, my grandfather. Nimishomis. Moving on. The next part, gii. That's your past tense. Your tense marker. Yep. Mbagdina. Wase. There's that word for bright. Wase, shiny. Yashin is on me. And Nungom. Today. Nungom. Some people sound it out like Nungo. Nungo. And some will say Nungom. Gibawase, Yashi, and Nungom. So, past tense, shining, me, on me, today. Okay? Now, Miigwetch, thank you. Nidikit, that's, you're saying something like, I say this, eh? Nidikit, Miigwetch, Nidikit. Yeah. Again, there we have Nungom again, eh? Just like up above. This day. Giiye day. Giiye. So thank you. I say today, this day. Yeah, our language is a bit cool that way, you know, because you know, everything is not perfectly in sequential order. You know, it has there's reasons why we have words in the front that are of more importance and other words that follow behind, eh? There are words that like take the next sentence here. Wewene means carefully, eh? Carefully, respectfully. Gii-miizhiyaang. So you have, let's break this down. Mino is that kindness, good. Gii-miizhiyaang is plural for looking. Nuichi-bemowin. See that nuichi in there? Nuichi is friends. Bemowin, life. So now let's try to break this down here. Carefully, wewene. Gii-miizhiyaang. So carefully, good looking. I will look good at something. My friends' lives. Nuichi-bemowin. That's how I understand it. So you see this, the way the sentence is put together, eh? You're putting the important thing, is how I understand it, wewene, carefully. That is the important thing. That's your starter. Minogana-wabmog. Carefully what? You're going to look carefully, eh? You're going to be kind looking at something, eh? You're going to wabmog. You know how you say, gii-miizhiyaang? You can see that wab in there, eh? Waba. You can see that gii-miizhiyaang is in there. That's where, like, I'll see you later, right? Gii-miizhiyaang. Ki-wabman. Wab. It's that looking, eh? Gii-miizhiyaang. So here you're talking about plural. Nuichi-bemowin. Everybody knows what a nuichi is, eh? Nuichke, nichkiwe, nichi, nuichi. Okay? So, it's really cool. I really love the way that we speak our language. Moving on. Miinwaa ganoonag. So again, and carefully, ganoonag. So you're talking about, hey? You're listening, you're talking. Ganoonag. It's pretty basic, really. You know, when you have these breakdowns done for you, you start to see the pattern of the language, the rhythm, the flow. Here's a very easy one here. Miigwetch. Everybody knows Miigwetch, eh? Giiye. They're talking about over there. Shkakimi-kwe. Now there's different ways to say this, eh? Shkakimi-kwe. I've heard Shkakimi-kwe. I've heard from Mother Earth, eh? There's so many ways. I've heard Shkakimi-kwe. This one here reminds me of Shkakimi-kwe. Shkakimi-kwe. I'm going to have to ask somebody to help me understand how this Shkakimi-kwe, this word Shkakimi-kwe. Yeah, I use Nugashike, Mother Earth, Mother Land, Mother Soil. I use, yeah. But this is how the sentence broke down. Miigwetch, gii, Shkakimi-kwe. Shkakimi-kwe. Nugashike, okay. Nugashike-kwe. Mama-kwe. I never heard that one too much. Yeah. Moving on. So we're focused now on Mother Earth. Now, this is our starter sentence. Now we're going to go into why we're thankful, eh? Gii is your past tense. Don't say, one of my good friends, Trudeau-kwe, she told me a funny story one time. And I was paying attention to what she was saying, and it made sense, you know. She always makes sense. A lot of people are saying this real fast and mispronouncing this word. And it's kind of funny, really. Gii-miizhiyaang. Mizi. You know, mizi means like kaka, poopy, mowich na. Mizi. Miizhiyaang, you know, the poop house, eh? You don't want to throw that into your prayer. Oh my goodness, that's you know. So just pay attention to your pronunciations. You know, she's always there saying, "Oh, you're a little bit off on that one. Try this." You know, and I love when she does that for me. So I'm doing the same for you. Gii-miizhiyaang, eh? Not miizhiyaang, okay? When you say your prayer. Okay. Nesewin, yeah. So that's the life, bemowin. Remember that, bemowin, eh? Okay. Like when we went back up here, Nui Chibimadis. Here's another one. Gii-miizhiyaang Madizowin. So this is a sh sound, eh? Not a z sound. Not miizi. Miizhiyaang. Miizhi. Oh boy. Getting all tongue twisted here. Gii-miizhiyaang. Yeah. Madizowin. Gii-miizhiyaang. Miijim. So the food. Moving on. Gii-miizhiyaang. Nibish. Ish. Nibish. Some will say nibe. Some will say nibish. Whatever your dialect is, you know. Gi is your past tense marker. Miizhiyaang. Wesin yuk. Wesin yuk. Some will say wesin yuk. Some will say wesin yuk. Whatever your dialect is, remember that, eh? What does Wesinyuk or Wesinyuk mean? Wesinyuk. What does it mean? It means the wild animals, eh? If you're going to talk about domesticated animals, there's another word for that. It's almost like saying walk on. Yeah, walk on is for domestic, and Wesinyuk is for, or Wesinyuk is for the wild animals, eh? Because we had wild animals before we ever got domesticated animals, eh? That came with the females of Europe. They brought those animals over, eh? So that the homesteading lifestyle can start and all that other stuff. So pay attention to that. Miinwaa gii-miizhiyaang Nesewin. Nesewin means to me air, breath. Nolden, I've heard other people use Nolden for the wind, eh? Nolden, you know, kind wind. But in this example, we're going to use Nesewin. That's the one I know. Nesewin for your breath. Nahaudish. Semaa, nbagdina. I'm not, you know, I don't know if I've been saying it wrong or right, but when I hear Semaa nbagdina, that to me is, I have to ask around about what that means. Right now, it just means you're putting your tobacco down, eh? Or giving your tobacco, maybe? To me, I would say, I was brought up with Semaa, Kadapanan manda Semaa daga. And what that means is, please accept this offering of tobacco. Some will say bungi Semaa, because it's a little bit. Kadapanan manda bungi Semaa. So please accept this little bit of offering of tobacco. I'm still retraining myself to say Semaa nbagdina, eh? Of course, you're going to talk about the four directions, right? Wabanong is the east. Jawanong, south. Pingishmuk, west. Miinwaa, and Giiye. It's interesting because you see Anong at the end of all of these, eh? Well, except for Pingishmuk. And other people will say, instead of Pingishmuk, they'll say, let me think here, there's Wabanong, Jawanong, Ningabayanong, yeah, Ningabayanong. And I was told that means the old man or something, eh? Ningabayanong. They would say that instead of a Pingishmuk. Miinwaa and giiye. I love giiye because that's the name of one of my great uncles. Giiye. Now, okay, help me to be able to stand strong. Naadmoshin. Some people will say Naadmoshin, And there are some that would say widokoshin or widokmoshin. Depending on your dialect again, eh? There's no right or wrong here in any of our language. Just how we, the only thing I see is just keep using your language, right? In a good way. Naadmoshin. So that means help me, eh? Gii-miizhiyaang gogaabwiyaan. So you're asking to be strong, standing, eh? I don't see Naadmoshinji-msh in there, eh? I don't know why. But this is how the prayer is, so I'm not going to confuse anybody. Gii-miizhiyaang gogaabwiyaan. 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 You just see this part here where it says Mishko. I've heard the buffalo being called Mishko. What is it now? Mishkode. Yeah. Bijike or Bijike for a buffalo. So you see these little tiny words, little root words put into how they can pass into other words in our language. It's pretty powerful. I love it. Now at the end, miinwaa, zung de. So you got zung. That means you're strong, eh? Something strong. Zung de. De is your heart. So you're talking about a strong heart. Brave. That's what that means to me. Brave. Miinwaa, zung de yan. Miigwetch, Namewin. And that's it. We're at the end of the prayer. Now this Miigwetch, it's a little bit long-winded, this one. I took a break in between, but it's all good. Miigwetch, pane, kinawiya, kiwabamin, miinwaa, bamapi.